Hey, good morning. Whew. Today is, I guess they call it Boxing Day in a lot of the English-speaking world. Not in America, but today's the 26th of December, and it's Monday.
Yep.
Where are we going today, girls?
We are going to our cooking school.
Yeah, we got the girls a cooking class camp. It's all week long. They go at 8:30 in the morning till 11:30. So we're getting a van right now to take us to the international school where it's at, and the girls are gonna learn to cook some stuff, make cookies and things. Yeah, so that should be a lot of fun. And then Lindsay and I are just gonna try and go to a cafe and work.
And we're gonna make cakes for Papa.
Whoa! I wonder if Papa knows that. They'll probably be stale by the time we get home.
Feel good. The girls are at their class and they did great, so we'll see.
Okay, yeah, this is a beautiful morning, and we just dropped the kids off for the first time in this entire trip. We're without kids. It is a weird feeling. So we're gonna go see if we can get some work done. Okay, so we've been at this cafe for the last hour and a half, and I've almost got a video edited. So it's really nice to work without kids. I might have to go to coffee shops every once in a while and get some work done, because I feel like I can get a lot more done without kids running around everywhere. I'm pretty excited about how much work I've got done, and we've got, Lindsay's got a bunch of the planning done for the next couple weeks. I think out until February 3rd, we're good, so we're definitely extending our visa in Thailand now. I'm gonna finish up here, and then we'll go pick up the girls. Okay, I think that's gonna be our home for the next 4 days. That was nice and relaxing and perfect. We got so much work done. We're gonna walk back to the international school now, and we're trying to get a Grab to pick us up. And this road is stupid busy, and there's no sidewalks. You're fine? What's wrong?
Tomorrow, okay?
That's ridiculous. You don't do that. You don't draw on your body. Come here. Give me your foot. Let's go. Is that fun, Harper?
Yeah.
Good.